West Fannin student, teachers, and staff. Welcome to the West Fannin Nature Trail. During this video, we will tell you a little bit about our West Fannin Nature Trail.
This trail is a project of the 2016-2017 4th grade science classes and the West Fannin Elementary Garden Club. It is located in the 9 acres of wood next to our school teacher's parking lot.
Lots of people and kids were involved in making the trail become a reality. Many students, with the help of some important adults, helped to cut and trim out vines, limbs, and small trees to make a path a nice place to walk.
Our trail has 2 areas for classroom study. The first is where we are right now at the trail's head. There are 5 picnic tables where classes can come for outdoor study and instruction.
Our path is a loop trail that goes through 3 different habitats: the edge of the woods, the deep woods, and the stream area.
This area where we are standing is the wood's edge. The plants that thrive in this area require lots of sunlight.
The birds and woodland animals you see here also take advantage of the plants and food sources it provides.
The path next takes us to the wooded part of our trail that is covered with beautiful native trees found in our mountains.
At the bottom of our trail is the amazing mountain stream. You can really tell the difference in the habitat of this part of the trail compared to the open area at the trail's beginning. We also have a set of classroom tables at this place.
Our trail is very important to those students and adults who help to make it an outdoor classroom and laboratory for our school. We really want you and your class to use and enjoy the space. Let your imagination open up to all that you might see and hear, because there is life everywhere.
We do have some requests concerning the West Fannin Nature Trail.
First, this is not like our school playground where we can run around wherever we like. The nature trail we made is there to guide you through the woods.
When you stay on the trail, the woodland area around the path is protected from damage so unique plants and animals can live here. Please stay on the path.
We suggest the following guidelines as you go through.
Look, there's so much to see. If you take your time, look up to see the birds, animals, and the beauty of trees.
Look down and observe all the critters where the woodland floor is home. Insects, spiders, worms, reptiles, amphibians. The list could go on and on.
Listen, the woods are alive with many insects, birds, and animals. You may see and hear them if you listen.
Learn. Every time you come to the trail, you have a chance to see and learn something new. Every day, something changes in these habitats. Each season of the year, the woods change and offer many new ways to see and observe nature.
As we go through the coming year, we will be adding things to our trail that will help in learning about trees and the various habitats. We hope you will enjoy the West Fannin Nature Trail.